Alright, we're going to take a little video of Louise. She's just kind of hanging out with me right now. I just came up to get my socks and shoes for work. Yeah. We just cleaned her box. Still haven't tried the Feline Pine, have you? You still only like the traditional litter. But I'm going to go get a can of food. And we can show everybody how you act like a real cat, okay? Yeah. Yeah. There's Louise. That's Louise. Alright, let's get some food. Nothing to sit over there because that would probably scare her. Yep, there she goes. Okay, so apparently you can just scooch around to scare her. But let's see if she... Oh, she's right behind me. She's not that far away. What happens when I do this? What happens? Oh, you know what that sound is. Okay. When I do this, yeah, yes. When she first came, she wouldn't eat wet food for me. But now she does, huh? Now she does gobble, gobble, gobble. Yeah. Good girl, Louise. There's some extra gravy in here. What if I put those little bits in there? Now they're probably not going to come out. Yeah, it was intelligent. Yeah. Alright, so there you go.